I mean, the Russell to the downside, it looks like it wants to work lower. The thing is that we're not, we don't have a good place to lean on. So I think we're a little bit too far extended there. Don't know what to make of Delta. SPY, I would like it to work back to the VWAP, which is coincident with the 7 period. But if we do that, I'm pretty sure that the DMI is going to tick up into that. Let's take a quick revisit at our gaps here. Square has come almost all the way back. Let me pull this into here. Square's come up almost all the way back. We are not quite into the 840 bar. If it does hit here, we're only going to have about 20 cents. So I'm going to take that off the board. Cuervo, that is already set. We can bring that up just a couple cents now that we are a little bit better defined.